Every time I think I got something figured out about fishing, where we're going to go fishing at, I find out I don't have a clue. Them fish don't always do and be and act like where you want them to go, but you got to be mobile and move, change. Hey, good morning. We are at the Gravois Arms today. The lake's down to 654, 653. I can't get in, can't get the boat launched where I want to go, so we're back on the Gravois Arm chasing some schools of black crappie. So it is 8:41, March 12th, and the temperature is 34 degrees, so it's a little chilly. But we do got pretty good batch of black crappie right in front of us off this main point. We're in Indian Creek, so we'll see if they'll bite. I did make 2 casts before I turned the camera on, and I did catch one out of them. Oh, and I missed that one, son of a gun. We got H&H rod, H&H reel, top hat jig. Got him on a little crooked. We can't get him straightened up. There we go. That looks better. Top hat jig, and we got pretty decent school of black crappie out here. So we got just enough wind today to be annoying. It just ain't committing. They will though. We'll find some that want to bite here in a minute. It might take us a little bit. Fish on. Oh, he'll eat. Here is what you're seeing on the graph. About a 10 or 10.5 inch black crappie. Top hat jig. There we go. And them fish right there, right on top of the water. Okay, up higher. Fish on. Uh-oh. Yeah, he'll be a keeper too. That's, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It don't never get old. Ever, ever. So hey, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. What are you waiting on? We got a chaser. We got it. He'll keep. Oh yeah. He'll keep. He's not big, but we're glad to have him. So Lake of the Ozarks black crappie are still in big schools. They've just have they moved. Like a mile. 34 degrees, in case you guys are curious. Once your hands get wet, yeah, they get a little cold. Boy, they're not biting very hard when they do bite. It's just kind of barely a little something you feel. And I don't know if I've mentioned it, my fingers are cold. There's some right. Oh, they're spooked. 10 feet from the boat must be the limit. There's some more right there. So if you go, right there's a crappie, right there's a shad. So they're literally just following the feed sack. I didn't make a very good cast. There we go. 3 or 4. We got him. We got him. He didn't hesitate. He'll eat. Oh yeah. We get close to them, they'll do it. Lake of the Ozarks black winter March crappie. And I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but my fingers are froze. Alright. My fingers up. Wait till we see some more fish. What do we got here? Shad. Fish in them fish. Let's drop a jig right through them shad and see what happens. I think them's all shad, but there might be a fish roaming around in there that would like a pink-headed jig instead of a stinky old shad. Answer to that is no, they don't. A lot of people don't like live scope, but seeing fish does not mean you're going to catch the fish. Might be a whole bunch out here in front. Not sure if I mentioned it, but my fingers are cold. Fish on. He was way down there. He'll eat. He'll eat. So we switched up to 32nd ounce jig head and white and chartreuse. No idea if that made any difference or not, but anyway, got one more in the bucket. We got a little school out here. Oh, we had it. I ain't gonna try to get too close to him, I can tell you that. Alright, they're gonna see my jig. Fish on. There we go. Just keep looking, keep scanning, keep throwing, keep changing. Something just beeped, I don't know what that was. That was on the blue and chartreuse. Whoop, whoop. There's more out there, we just got to catch them. Without spooking them, that's the ticket. There's more out there. Alright, things are looking up. Looky there. Alright, can we get this little jig that far? 40 feet. Oh yeah, we did. Go and take it. 2 minutes and 3. Fish on. He just come flying up there and got it. He'll eat. Oh yeah. Oh, son of a gun, I lost him. Crapola. Alright. We ain't gonna be in the middle of them. Come on, fish. Got him. Hey, you guys notice the nice, easy hook sets I'm doing today? Well, no breaking no line today. Oh, that's this is not a big crappie, but he liked that top hat jig. Alright. Nobody make any noise. We got fish everywhere. That's two bites and 2 casts. We're going to go right back in there. What takes a long time? 32nd ounce jig to get down there. We got him. Well, when it gets down there, they like it. Yes, they do. Black crappie, Lake of the Ozarks, March. My fingers are cold, but I don't care. Fish are biting. Alright, now they're... Don't you get spooky on me. I don't know what them are, but let's let them see the jig. Might be bluegill. Wherever they are, we got it. Find out. Come a little crappie. Alright, a white bass. Freebie. Hey, little freebie. They have really sharp gill plates. Whenever you touch them, they stick these out. These are sharp too. Alright, we're going to have to catch him next year. He ain't very big. Uh-oh, there they are. Those are up top. We're going to go past them. We're going to come through them fast. There comes a jig. Fish on. Fish on. He'll eat. Oh yeah. We'll get him in and get another one before they get gone. Come on. We gotta hurry, 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 hurry. Whoop, whoop. That's not a whoop whoop. But... Alright, now they're 10 feet. Will they bite again? Right there on top of that one. We got him too. We got 2 out of that little pile before they spook. Get in here. We're getting it. Oh, well, we'll pick you up in a minute. We got fish to catch right now. Oh, we got a load of them. We got loads of them. Got a wild chaser. We had one. Well, we come up there and hit it. We got him. Nice, easy hook set. That's another little white bass. Another little white bass. That is not what we want. He's out of here. Did we get over the fish? Can we back up without spooking him? Let's see. That boat's going to come get in front of us again. They're still down there. A little short, Travis. Get the very far edge of them. We got him. He come and got it. It acts like a crappie. It is a crappie. He'll eat too. He's a good crappie. Oh, the first white crappie of the day. I wouldn't say he's a good one, but he's a keeper. I don't know if I mentioned it, but my fingers are cold. Another batch right there. We're going to hit them, might be white bass. We got him, whatever they are. Nope, it's a crappie. I thought they might be white bass, but it wasn't. There's a group of just about 7 or 8 fish down there. They were moving. Kind of had to lead them like shooting a pheasant. But anyway, we got him. Whoop, whoop. Nah, he ain't no whoop whoop. Take the whoop whoop back. Put them under the dock. Right at the dock. I think they're under it though. 25 feet. That'd be right at the edge of the dock. See my jig, there's too many fish. We got him. We got him. Get in here. that's a white crappie. Oh, that's a black crappie. Try to slow down before we get on top of them. They're a little bit spooky. Little fella. We'll throw him back. Whoop, whoop. Alright, are they still there? Yes, would be the answer to that question. Lots and lots and plenty and more to come. When we started this morning, nowhere near my plans of fishing again. But that's what's cool about fishing. You just gotta let the fish tell you what you're doing and go fishing. I might be thinking about spooking. They ain't spooked yet. We got him. We got him. He'll eat. I just let that 32nd ounce jig just sit right on top of them, and they couldn't resist it. He's not a bad fish either. We're gonna have to count fish here in a minute. Alright, where'd they go? They're still there. They didn't go nowhere. Well, we'll let this 32nd ounce jig sink 10 feet. That takes about 10 seconds. He's about to get down there. Here he is. Here comes one. Oh, set the hook. Comes one flying up. We got him. We got it. Boy, they like that. Oh, get on with your big cell. What's he doing? What's he doing? That crappie. Don't make me stand up out of my chair. Gotta be a white. It's a big old white bass. I didn't think there was no crappie. Don't break, don't break, don't break. It didn't break. He didn't act like no crappie. But guess what he's gonna do? He wasn't coming off. He gets to go for a boat ride and to a fish fry. They're still out there. And every time I think I got something figured out about fishing, where we're going to go fishing at, I find out I don't have a clue. Them fish don't always do and be and act like where you want them to go, but you got to be mobile and move, change. Burning my jig's right down there in the middle of them too. And he hit that 3 times. I see a couple good ones. Oh. Got a pervert fish down there. We're going to go right over them fish, and that is not what I want to do. I like that little jig better, but I need to get down there real quick. Alright, here we go. We're going to try to go a foot or two under that dock, which we did. That should put us right in the kill zone. They've moved out a little bit now. We got him. Well, he come a long way too. Another just nice, perfect eating size Lake of the Ozarks crappie. But his lucky day is we don't need him. Can we get another one? Fish on. Number 14's an okay crappie. Whoop, whoop. Okay, we're back. We had to change the camera batteries on fish number 14. I gotta go with, I got the bigger jig here. There's a good one right down there. There's a whole shitload of them out there. Fish home. He could be number 15, but we got too many fish here. He'd be number 15. He would be. Can we catch one? Boy, that jig is out of sight. So we're going to go ahead and... Alright. We still need number 15. Alright, here we go. We're going to land right in them. Middle of them with that little 1/16 ounce jig. We got a fish. Oh, he could be number 50. Yeah. Yeah. Hey there. Number 15 is a good one. So. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We got us a nice, really good limit of black crappie. And the key today was we found a lot of little schools here and there, but no big batch. We got on this kind of a secondary point. There's a dock over there about 100 yards away, and the next closest dock is about 300 yards away. And they are just under the dock, around the dock, in front of the dock. So find that open dock every now and then, that dock that's out there by itself for a little ways. Today that was the key. So we didn't find a big batch until we got to this isolated dock. So more to come, don't go nowhere, keep watching. Oh, he pushed it. I don't know what it is with that pushing horse shit.